If you're leading marketing for an e-commerce app, you'll know that competition has never been fiercer. With mobile now making up more than half of all digital commerce, you're likely to see cost per install on the rise and an even more competitive user acquisition space as marketers step on the gas in 2026. The only way to get ahead and stay there is to maximize the value of every single customer interaction you have with your audience. That means having confidence that you're getting the absolute most out of every dollar of your ad budget and fighting rising acquisition costs by making the most of existing customers via re-engagement and loyalty programs. Hey, I'm Zoe, and today I'm going to guide you through the 5 biggest challenges your e-commerce app faces today and how we can overcome them. Beating these challenges is how you'll deepen customer loyalty and grab all the benefits that come with it. Boosts to sales, increased return on ad spend. They all come from unlocking high-intent audiences. The underlying theme to these challenges lies in a fundamental truth. Measurement simply hasn't kept pace with the way people engage today. There's been an explosion of channels, with new platforms and touchpoints popping up every year. Then there's privacy frameworks that protect users but create major blind spots for marketers. And on top of that, platforms typically report data in different ways, making cross-channel comparisons almost impossible. So, although customer journeys are more connected than ever, measurement has arguably never been more disconnected. And that's where we'll start today, the complexity of the customer journey. Did you know that the average household has a remarkable 21 devices? Mobile app, desktop, console, CTV. It all creates a twisting user journey for today's e-commerce shopper and a measurement nightmare for you, the marketer. A customer will jump from online to offline and back again. The journey to a single purchase might start in store, be researched online, and eventually bought in an app, hours, days, or even weeks later. Omnichannel measurement connects those touchpoints together, giving you one source of truth across all channels. Working with a measurement partner lets you piece together the full picture. By attributing campaigns accurately, you'll get to see the true impact that each channel, campaign, and platform is having for your brand. And by understanding that impact, you'll put yourself in a position to grow lifetime value through customer loyalty. But how do you secure that loyalty when e-com giants like Amazon and Alibaba have set the bar for convenience, making it easy for shoppers to compare and choose the best deals? Well, the good news is that low prices don't always lead to lasting engagement. Instead, it comes from experiences that deliver value. Loyalty programs like Sephora's Insiders program have been shown to drive retention and engagement by delivering personalized recommendations to customers. For Sephora, 80% of all their transactions now come via this loyalty program. Combined with deep linking to smooth out the user experience, taking users directly to the relevant product in the app, you'll be able to measure the rising loyalty of your customers through your sales and retention numbers. Now, delivering those personalized experiences while still respecting user privacy, that's where our next challenge comes in. E-commerce apps rely on sensitive user data, but privacy frameworks have tightened up. GDPR, SKAN, and others have increased user protection, but created limits on traditional targeting and measurement methods. As privacy regulations continue to evolve, it's critical that your measurement platform is at the forefront of any changes. Look for a partner that provides actionable insights without exposing personal information and leverages advanced techniques like lookalike modeling and consented first-party signals so you can stay compliant and secure without compromising your ability to optimize your campaigns and customer experience. Navigating privacy across multiple channels brings another challenge to the table: ad fraud exposure. Bots, spoofing, and click flooding doesn't just drain your ad budget. It corrupts the data you use to make calls on which channels to scale and which teams to resource. As an e-commerce marketer, your brand is right in the target of fraudsters. The financial impact is significant. AppsFlyer data shows that in the US alone, fraud that went unblocked would have cost $179 million on iOS and $98 million on Android last year. Globally, fraud exposure is approaching $1 billion. Robust fraud detection and protection is a must. It's saved brands like Fetch Rewards hundreds of thousands of dollars a year. And with AI-powered detection, you'll be able to block fraud faster and with more accuracy than ever before. And if you're successfully fighting fraud, that means you can have far greater trust in your data. But with that data comes its own challenge. Teams across marketing, CRM, analytics, and monetization often operate with disconnected systems and metrics. That muddies the waters on measurement and makes it hard for you to see a cohesive picture of performance. As a marketing leader, it all complicates your ability to get budgeting increases, make strategic pivots, and align your teams around shared goals. Strong measurement infrastructure is the answer, unifying teams with consistent attribution and shared KPIs. It's all about creating a single source of truth across app, web, and offline touchpoints. Our data shows that leading brands drive over 60% more revenue and a 20% jump in return on ad spend, all by adopting a unified approach with a measurement partner. And there you have it, the 5 big challenges you'll face in e-commerce today, and how measurement partners can help solve them by providing omni-channel measurement to connect the dots on customer journeys, securing app loyalty through personalized experiences and loyalty programs, staying at the forefront of shifting privacy frameworks, using advanced fraud detection to stay protected, and aligning your teams with a single source of truth for measurement. Thanks for watching, and for more resources on how you can overcome these challenges in 2026, check the links in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time.